Hello! Welcome again to my channel. Sama-sama uli tayo sa panibagong lesson na ating pag-aaralan. So, may problema ka sa math? Baka narito ang solusyon. Tutulungan kita. So, ngayong araw, ang pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano mag-factors ng polynomial gamit ang CMF o yung tinatawag nating common monomial factor. Bago yan, balikan muna natin. Pag sinabi nating polynomial, eto yan. So, polynomial is composed of algebraic expression. At pag sinabi nating factoring, eto naman yan. So, factoring is the process of finding the factors of a given number. So, hanap tayo ng dalawang number na kung saan pag binag-multiply natin, ang magiging sagot ay yung given number. So, wag na natin patagalin. Paano nga ba ipapactor ang polynomial gamit ang CMF? Ito ang example. Bibigyan ko kayo ng example. Kung ang given natin ay 8x to the 5th power plus 24 x cubed. Okay, that's it. So we have polynomial, which is considered binomial because that is composed of two terms. Now, to factor this, all you need to do is to find the possible factor of the numerical coefficient of each term. So find the possible factor of 8. So if we're going to list down the possible factor of 8, so we have 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So that is the possible factor of 8. And what will be the possible factor of 24? The possible factor of 24 is simply 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So that is the possible factor of 24. So now, let us determine which of the factors are common between 8 and 24. So as you observe, we have 2 times 4, we have 4 times 6. So, they have common of 4. But there is 1 times 8 and 3 times 8. So, we're going to get the greatest common factor, which is 1 times 8 and 3 times 8. So, therefore, the factors that is common between 8 and 24 is 8. So, now, we have 8 here. And what is the common factor between x cubed and x to the 5th power is simply find the exponent, which is the lowest exponent between the two terms, which is 3. So we have now 8x cubed. So that is the CMF. 8x cubed is considered the CMF, or the common monomial factor between the two terms. And then after finding the CMF, let us now divide the two terms. 8x cubed 8x to the 5th power divided by 8x cubed, the answer is simply x squared. Then plus 24x cubed divided by 8x cubed, the answer is 3. So therefore, the factor of 8x to the 5th power plus 24x cubed is equal to 8x cubed multiplied by x squared plus 3. Here's another example. So, for example, the given is simply 10x squared plus 5x. Okay, so what is the possible factor of 10? So, 1 times 10, 1 times 10, and 2 times 5. That is the possible factor. And what is the possible factor of 5? That is 1 times 5. So therefore, the common between 10 and 5 is simply 5. And since the lowest exponent is 1, so we have 5x. Then let us now divide. So 10x squared divided by 5x, the answer is 2x. Then 5x divided by 5x, the answer is 1. So therefore, the factor of 10x squared plus 5x is equal to 5x multiplied by 2x plus 1. So that's it. That is how to factor polynomial using common monomial factor. If you have question and you want another example about this episode, so don't forget to leave a comment in our comment section. See you on our next video.